The Su-57 boasts stealth features, advanced weaponry and high maneuverability, but its stealth capabilities are questionable compared to US aircraft such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The Sukhoi Su-57 is the fifth-generation fighter jet developed by Sukhoi for the Russian Air Force. It was previously called the PAK-FA. It is planned to replace the MiG-29 Fulcrum and Su-27 flanker fighter jets in the Russian air defense system. Meanwhile, the US is developing the next-generation air dominance (NGAD) program, which aims to surpass the fifth-generation fighter with advanced AI, unmanned systems, and cutting-edge technology. Despite Russian claims, the Su-57 may not meet true fifth-generation standards and is unlikely to evolve into a sixth-generation fighter easily. Does the Su-57 belong to the fifth generation? Finally, some Western analysts have even stated that Russia's Su-57 fighter has a design more similar to an advanced fourth-generation fighter than a true fifth-generation aircraft. Its stealth capabilities are not as effective as the F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II. It may be less detectable than the F-15 Eagle or F-16 Fighting Falcon, but the Su-57 has a poor cross-section compared to its main fifth-generation rivals. How the Su-57 compares to NGAD. First conceptualized in 2014 in DARPA's Air Dominance Initiative study, the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, the United States NGAD is designed to achieve air superiority, but NGAD should not be seen as just a single aircraft. The U.S. Secretary of the Air Force explained that manned NGAD aircraft will control the unmanned combat aircraft escorting them. Various multi-mission drones, dubbed Collaborative Combat Aircraft or CCA, could act as loyal wingmen, while all aircraft could be networked to improve situational awareness for both manned and unmanned aircraft. Additionally, there are likely to be 5 different technologies that will be prioritized in the design of the NGAD fighter, including advanced weapons, stealth, digital design, propulsion, and thermal management. Although sixth-generation technologies have yet to be definitively defined, the features in the NGAD program are expected to surpass fifth-generation capabilities. Therefore, it still seems a big leap for the Su-57 or any fifth-generation fighter to be upgraded to a sixth-generation fighter easily. The next generation will likely include advanced digital capabilities, including AI artificial intelligence, data fusion, and highly capable C3 battlefield, command, control, and communications capabilities will be optionally manned. Implement enhanced human systems integration with a virtual cockpit advanced stealth airframe and avionics advanced variable cycle engines, long-range weapons, and BVR weapons, and even be equipped with directed energy weapons such as C-DOVS lasers or close-in weapon systems. Sixth-generation claims. Russia further states that an upgraded and even more advanced Su-57 model may be in the works and will be the first sixth-generation aircraft in service in the world. This was first noted in a November 2017 report from Russian state media TASS, which quoted former commander of the Russian Air Force and chairman of the Federation Council's Defense and Security Committee Viktor Bondarev, who explained, "This is actually a very good aircraft, and this aircraft includes features of both the fifth and sixth generations. It has enormous modernization potential. Most importantly, it is the best among the existing versions of stealth characteristics. It combines all the best available in modern aviation science both in Russia and in the world." However, despite Russia's continued touting of the aircraft, Western aviation experts argue that the Su-57 is just hype and that Moscow lacks the manufacturing capability to even produce the aircraft in significant numbers. This is evident from the fact that the Su-57 first flew in January 2010 but only entered service in December 2020. In conclusion, the Su-57 may be a very capable aircraft even if Russia does not have many fighters, but it cannot be considered a sixth-generation aircraft if it is not a fifth-generation fighter.